Hi, I'm Lauren, part of the Ceiling Tiles UK sales team from the Workplace Interiors group, and I'm going to explain today what the different edge profiles of tiles will look like. So I'm going to start with the square edge. So a square edge tile is flat and it will sit in your grid like this, and then I'll show you from the front. And then in comparison, we've got the Tegular edge and the Microlook tiles, which are going to sort of protrude down from the grid. So you've got a stepped edge there, which will sit like that. And then if I show you from the front, it looks like this. The best way to determine which stepped edge option you've got is to measure the bit of your grid that sits in between the tiles. So you measure from here to here. If you have the 24mm grid, then you're looking at the Tegular option, and if you've got the 15mm grid, then you're looking at the Microlook option. For example, the ceiling in this room has a Tegular edge tile, so if you have a look up now, you can see how it protrudes from the grid.